Welcome everyone to my channel. I am Jason with Omega Collects, here to welcome you to my third installment of Road to a Key. In this episode, I'm going to give you an update of where things stand with the two books that I sent off to CGC and some alternate moves that I had to make because of the timing of the return of the books. There, as you know, there was a huge Todd McFarlane signing, and he kind of had the pipeline bottleneck with all his books. But I did get them back, and I also sent two books off to get signed by him that I got back as well. So we're going to give you an update on that. I'm going to give you an update on what book I chose to go after and where we stand with that. And also just to talk about a little bit more where we are going down the road with Road to a Key. So first off, again, I hope everyone had a happy new year. I hope you brought it in well with family, friends, and loved ones. And to begin this, let's start off with the two books that came back from CGC. First off was Fantastic Four 27. The other one was the Thor 134 that I sent off. They both came back as the grade that I projected. So my raw grade ability, it worked out in that scenario. So I do have those books listed. They're on Shortboxed, and feel free to take a look. My Shortbox is in, it's going to be in the bio section here on my YouTube channel and also on my Instagram channel, Omega Collects. Take a look at the books. Take a look at the other books that I have. Feel free to shoot an offer. You never know. No offer is too crazy. We will consider any offer that comes through. So if you're looking for a graded book and I happen to have it, feel free to jump on Shortbox. But again, those books are up there for you to look at. Take a look. Let me know if you want to pursue it, and we'll see if we can get you those books in your hand or in your short or long box. So first off, like I said, Todd McFarlane had the pipeline kind of bottleneck. So I had to shift gears because I wanted to continue to have money coming in to the pot. So I went into my short box. I pulled out two books. I pulled out Amazing Spider-Man Annual 1, which was a 2.0 grade, and I also pulled out Amazing Spider-Man 129, the first appearance of the Punisher, which was a Mark Jeweller's copy. So I was able to list those last month, and I actually sold them. So I sold the ASM 129 for it was about $1,100 I got for that, and then the annual one I got about $650. So that added quite a chunk to the pot that I already had. So that allowed me to go shopping, which was the first grail that I was after, the key that I was after. So I decided that I was going to pursue Superman 53, the origin of Superman. So for 2023 going forward, my major goal now is to acquire those very rare Golden Age books. I am after extremely rare Golden Age books, Action Comics, all adventure comics, Batman, Superman. I am on the hunt for those rare keys. So because of that, I was able to make my first purchase for 2023. I took the money from the pot and I was able to acquire Superman 53. I got it for a very reasonable price, I think, and it came back. Actually, it was cleaner than what I thought it was from what I've seen. And I'm going to show you a picture of the book that I bought from flipping, and as part of this whole Road to a Key, this is what it's all about. Selling books or giving up books that you have, making the sacrifice to get what you want. And so here it is, the first book, Superman 53. This is an amazing copy. There's a little chip in the corner here at the bottom. It looked like an insect got to it and ate a little piece of it, but overall, this book presents amazing. I am going to send this off and have it pressed, dry clean, and then I'll get it slabbed. So I'm thinking that it's going to be a 6.0. And once I get this back, this is going to go inside of my PC for a long time. So there you have it. That right there is the first key that I picked up. And to show you that if you make those sacrifices, you can get the books that you want. It's just patience, timing, knowing how to grade your books, knowing what books to buy that will give you a return on investment over a short or even a long period of time. You just have to say to yourself, I really want this book, so I'm willing to give up that book to get where I need to be. So my next book that I'm after is going to be, I think it's going to be Detective Comics 168, The Origin of the Joker. I really like that book. I like the cover. I think it's just an amazing book, and it kind of follows the theme that I'm going after for 2023 and beyond, is to pick up those Golden Age rare origin books. So I got Superman. I'm after the Joker, and I'm probably gonna see what I can do about Detective Comics 33, which is the origin of Batman. So I'm excited about this journey that I'm taking. Again, there's books that I have to sacrifice to get to the books that I really, really want, that will give me the pleasure, the happiness, and the return on investment over time. Because again, we're collecting these books. We are collectors at heart, but at the same time, we want our collection to be something that we value, something that over time will smile on us and give us back a return on investment that you can pass down to your kids, a family member, a friend, or just, you have it as later in your life, something that you can probably sell and use the money in your golden years, retire, have a good time, just enjoy yourself. But me personally, I'm in it. I'm a collector. I'm going to collect what I like, and what I like is going to give me a return on my investment. So again, I think I'm going to focus on origin books right now, Tech 168, Tech 33, and then from there I have other books that I may pick up along the way. But again, the whole process is to keep churning out the books, keep getting that income flowing in to your reserve, keep building your reserve, keep making those sacrifices of not buying the books that you really don't want. Try to control the FOMO. We all get it. I had it. I bought books at the end of 2022 that I shouldn't have bought, but they were books that I know that I can turn over and realize a profit from them. So I wanted to jump on and give you a quick update for the year. I will come back with my next update in episode 4. We'll get a little bit more granular with the numbers, and I will show you where we are in terms of my reserve, what's been spent, what's been brought into the pot, so that you can really see that this does work. And this book here, Superman 53, this is a book that proves to you, comic community, that if you're willing to follow me, we can get the books that we really, really like and have them in our PC. So thank you for joining. I wanted to give this quick update of where I stood with my books. If there's any questions, please drop a comment. I'm here. I'll answer anything. I'll try my best. The community is a great place. You make great connections. I made good connections as I started to, as I decided to move down this path of all Golden Age books. So with that decision came new people into my life, new friends into my life in this comic book community. So again, collect what you like, invest in what you like, and then you will see the PC that you love. I want to thank you for joining. Again, have a happy new year, and we will focus. This road to a key does work, and I'm looking forward to you guys following me, and then I'll follow you. Let me know what you've bought. Let me know what your goals are for 2023. Have a great day. Thank you.